Hey folks, Poverty Point Customs here. What we're going to do today is change the fuel filter on my John Deere E180 lawn tractor. First off, open the hood. What you're going to need is an 8mm socket, some pliers, and your new filter. On the left side of your motor, there's your fuel filter. So what you're going to do is pop off this side cover. There's one 8mm bolt you got to take out. Gives you a lot more room. So there's your fuel filter. What you need to do is loosen up these clamps and pull them back. That way you can pull your fuel filter off. Now you will get a couple drips if you want to put a piece of paper or whatnot underneath this to catch it. So once you have these pulled back, you can pop out your fuel filter. Just like that. Now you want to compare your old and your new fuel filter. As you can see, this is an aftermarket one, so it's a little bit different, but you want to compare the ends to make sure they're roughly the same size. So on your fuel filter, you'll see an arrow. This is pointing towards the engine from the fuel tank. So the fuel tank is on this side, going towards the carburetor in this direction. So you want to make sure the arrow's in this direction. So you slide the new filter on, and you're going to pull these little clamps up towards the fuel filter. That keeps this nice and snug. So I'm going to turn the key on and turn the engine over, and we should see this fill with fuel. So I checked for leaks and I let this run for a couple minutes. It's working great. And if anybody wants the original part number, it's 200-618. So you'll reinstall the side cover. And under the hood, John Deere has its service intervals, and it recommends that this is done every 50 hours. This original fuel filter had 78.9 hours on it. So you can close the hood. So the last video was replacing the air filter. So we just did the fuel filter. The next one is going to be swapping out the spark plugs, and then we're going to put on a new fuel pump.